Hey beautifuls, it's Tiffany here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Living Beautifully. If you're new here, welcome, and please consider clicking that subscribe button. We would love to have you as a part of the beautiful crew. So a little while ago, I had to take an at-home COVID test. I used the QuickVue At-Home tests. And inside the kit is this fact sheet here, which gives you more information about COVID and QuickVue. So here are the directions. First, you're supposed to wash your hands, and then step 1, you check to make sure everything is in your kit. Step 2, you place the tube in the holder like I did here. And then next, for step 3, is the fun part where you get to swab both of your nostrils twice. So I do apologize in advance for the facial expressions that you're about to see within these next upcoming seconds. This is definitely uncomfortable when you do this, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And remember, you're supposed to swab each side twice. Now for step 4, this is when you're going to take that swab and put it in the tube and swish it around for about 3 to 4 seconds, and then leave it in there for about a minute. And then for the next step, step 6, of course you throw the swab away, but for step 6 you get the test strip that's there, and then you're going to take that test strip and then you're going to put it into that same tube where your swab was. Remember, we've already thrown the swab into the trash, so you're just going to go ahead and take the test strip and place it right into that tube. Make sure you keep the liquid in there, and this stays in there for about 10 minutes. And then once your 10 minutes is up, you get to check for your results. So let's see what my results were. Drum roll. So you found out if you're positive, you'll have a pink line and a blue line. So let's see. My test strip is there at the top. I only had a blue line, so that means it was negative. Thank goodness. So I hope this was helpful to someone. Thanks for watching, and continue to live beautifully. Bye everyone, and stay safe.